good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good whatsoever time it is where you are. Wow, wow. Look at crypto bubbles. Look at the Jews, guys. Yeah. We have been waiting for this moment all our lives in cryptocurrency. The moment that everything is doing so well. Look at the monthly time frame from the top 100 coins in the space. Look at these bad boys. They are up almost 1x. Guys, this is nothing. If you think you have missed out or you are missing out a lot from this pump, I have good news for you. You haven't seen anything yet. We are still to make huge move to the upside. You haven't seen any pump yet. Crypto is about to go bananas. If you look at what I'm seeing here with Ethereum, with Bitcoin, with other top altcoins in the space, oh boy, you are going to sit tight and wait for your turn to come. In today's show, I want us to talk about the best meme coin to buy. The best meme coin to buy that can 100x, 10x, whatever x your investment. The end point is when we invest in anything, we want to make money, right? And I want to show you guys these coins that haven't yet done anything. Like, I want to show you guys based on the weekly time frame. I love to look at weekly setup to give me the perspective of how far this coin can go and where it is currently. So yeah, we are gonna look at all of this to determine our fate. If you're new here, don't waste time to smash the subscribe button. Do that as soon as you can. Now before we go to the coins that I think we're gonna be buying, I want us to look at these metrics here. Um, I want us to look at these metrics. But let me just see something first. My live on X. I want to see if I'm live on X, guys. Um, if I'm live on X, then good and good and good, good and good. Just give me some time. Let me just not some time, not just a few seconds. I want to just check quickly if I'm live on X currently. If not, then it's fine. I'm using a different like software now, to do this live stream. I just want to see whether I'm live on X before we continue our show. I think I'm live on X. I think I am live on X. Oh, it shows that my broadcast just ended. I don't know why. Um Anyways, let's just continue. I'm still learning to use this on X, so it's okay when I must have fixed it. Then we can we're doing live on X too. Now, let's look at where we are with with the Big Daddy. By the way, this is a Bitcoin, and looking at current. Let me just go to the daily time frame. Let's see where we can go to, because guys, it's important to know where we have liquidity. If we see more liquidity above, it means they're gonna push price above. Then, in that case, most of those old coins are gonna pump. But now it seems as if Ethereum is the one moving the market. Okay, now I see that we are going to 122K. Yeah, we are going to 122K, and if possibly we are going to 124K. After that, that's gonna be the target. So today, or let's say before the week is ended, we should go to 122K, and after that we might go right down here to 118K. So we have established that. Now let's go to see here on CoinArk, and let's see where we have more liquidity on this chart. Let's see. Let me see what we got. Okay. Oh boy, look at this huge order. Yeah, it was filled. So we still have long way to go up there. Right up to about, let's say, yeah, that $122,000. for Bitcoin. So you can see Bitcoin is forming higher highs here. It formed this high, high here, and that high there. So it's gonna be moving in that range until we get to this target. Yeah, I think it's gonna happen today. Then from there, maybe we look at other zones where Bitcoin might be heading towards. So for now, looking at current price action, I think we should be looking at this to give us like a clue on where we might be expecting some of these altcoins to go to. Now, talking about these altcoins that we are going to be looking at today, um I'm going to be looking at these altcoins like in different perspective, right? But the main zones is going to be the weekly time frame. Now, I want to like I have so many here on my list, but I want to stick on first on Baby Dogecoin. Let's go to Baby Dogecoin. I think Baby Dogecoin is about to give us some flavor, you know. So, guys, most of you already know this chart. You are aware of this chart. You know this chart very well, right? And this chart is simple. Whenever price goes up, it comes down. It 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 goes up, and now we're down. So it's not go up again, right? You just have to follow the money. Right now, we are seeing hype. In the market, Ethereum is giving us that flavor. Bitcoin gave us before. Ethereum is giving us that flavor now, and almost everything is pumping. So we can say that based on previous price action, maybe Dogecoin is going to make a huge move to the upside to this target here, and if possibly go to the next all-time high as what happened before. So don't see price here thinking, oh, because other coins are pumping, it means this one is not gonna pump too. No. Maybe those coin always pump when everything has pumped, right? So now the money is flowing into the large cap, medium cap. It's gonna flow into Baby Dogecoin at some point in time. So if you are holding Baby Dogecoin, good and fine for you. Right? So the weekly setup for Baby Dogecoin looks fantastic. Okay. Now, this is one of my also top meme coin, which is Book of Memes, Boomer. Look at this structure, yeah. It's up today alone 10%. Now, um, you see, ever since we bottom, yeah, back then, I think that was in Monday, 30th of March. We haven't yet come back there. Price held, yeah. So I would say that at least, we should move. Like, let me just see how many percent. The best case scenario. Let me not say the worst case scenario. The best case scenario should be about 2x from where we are currently. So if we're gonna see a huge pump, like huge run, take us straight away to about like it's gonna pump like about 180 or 2x from where we are currently. So you can literally make that amount of money if we continue to see the hype in the market. Ethereum giving us a signal. I mentioned in my previous video that Ethereum is going to 5,000 this week. If you watch that video, I think that was on Monday. I said Ethereum is going. I even mentioned it yesterday. I said Ethereum is going to $5,000. And it's gonna make the all-time high soon. And I think most of you didn't catch that. But I have been talking about Ethereum, Aerodrome. Aerodrome alone is up today, like crazy. I cashed out some profit from Aerodrome. Now I'm trying um to put it back into this Baby Dogecoin. I put it in Baby Dogecoin. I didn't check on Boomer, but now that Boomer has pumped about 10%, I'm gonna wait a little bit, to see whether I will get some retracement. Now, the next that I want you to look at is Miro. Miro already started this run. If you zoom out, you see that Miro bottom, yeah, it made this huge pump, came back, held on the weekly time frame, and now we are going to target this 50-day moving average. So if you want to get Miro, I think you can still get Miro. The target's gonna be around this moving average, yeah. But if I zoom out, I'm gonna tell you guys that the target is gonna be this zone. Let me mark it for you. from where we are currently. It should be the target that we go to rest. Yeah, so we should make about 1 point something x. Let me just say give or take 1x, right, from where we are. you know. So yeah, Miro is one of those meme coins that you should be looking at getting to your portfolio. Let's look at Popcat. Popcat hasn't really done anything. Oh boy, look at this guy. This is like a super buy opportunity. This bad boy can easily fly in any of these days to Valhalla. But look at the this bottom here. Price made this move to the 50-day moving average, which traced it wasn't able to go and make lower lows. Now we should expect the next pump to take us at least break this 50-day moving average and take us back to either this high here. Popcat is one of the top meme coins out there in the space that you should be looking at if say you want to make some quick gains during this bull market. This alt season. Now looking at another one, which is Degen. June is still early. It doesn't yet pump too. You can see even though today it's not that up significantly, it's up just 1.78%. When this bad boy wanna pump in a day, it can pump about 1x. So you can start building your position right now with Degen and other and some of the other meme coins that I've mentioned here. But this is gonna be a good setup for you. Imagine that we come right up to this previous high here. It's gonna be a fantastic for you. So Degen is one of them. Toshi is another one. Toshi has made a quick run. I think that was back then. It made this really quick run. It came back, held. Now it's about to break. If we see Toshi break this zone here, then we are going straight back, I think, up there. So Toshi looks bullish. This one here, guys, Floki, this is one of my top meme coin. This is more than a meme coin, it's a whole project, and look at where we are currently from this deep, retracement, came back, held structure, went above, make higher highs, came back, held structure. So what do you think is gonna happen? Gonna keep on making higher highs. So I think if you want to get something, you can get Floki too. But guys, don't go and buy anything. Choose the one that you resonate with, that you understand, that you resonate with, and you think you can hold for some time. Ponke also is another one. If you want to get Ponke, is at a good structure, guys. We are seeing the pump happening with with this higher cap and so on. We know meme coin had their moment, but it's gonna always happen. Meme coins are always gonna pump. When these guys have made money, they're gonna wanna come and pump. It takes just about few guys to pump this shit to Valhalla. So um Bonke looks fantastic. Let's look at Giga. Oh, Giga even look more fantastic. Look at where we are, guys. Look at where we are. Last week we held here. This week we are still holding here. I think Giga can make a huge run to this zone here. And if that's the case, let's see how many percent it's gonna be. Let's see how many percent. Yeah, more like 1x. Yeah. So yeah, pay attention to Giga. Let's see more coin. Oh, this one is super bullish. More coin, more coin is but normal. We always talk about more coin. Yeah, you see this dip here went up there, held, went up there, come back here, held. So it's in structure. The next thing is for price to go back to this high here. So mock coin has even it's even showing you the roadmap. Yeah, this low, high, low, high, low. Now we're gonna form another high up there. Next one I got here is red coin. You can see high, low, high, low. Now we're gonna form the next high. So like this one is already at a stage to the stage to like this week we're gonna see a huge pump with bread coin. So if you want to get bread coin, then make sure you get it. By the way, if you want to buy either of these coins, guys, you can buy it on Bitronics, you can buy it on Bybit. Just go below this video, there are links here that you're gonna connect you to these exchanges. You can see down here trading resources. I'm a partner with Bybit, Bluefin, Bitronics, Hyperliquid, Binance. You can get these tokens from there. And guys, if you are using like if you are in cryptocurrency and you don't yet have a VPN, you should have a VPN. It's important you have a VPN to protect your information from hackers, protect your seed phrase, to protect everything you have, your money, everything. So make sure you have a VPN. You can get not VPN and not pass. This is the amount you get if you use the link that I showed you earlier. So this is it here. Get VPN, get it, then you are gonna be having this discount, up to 70% discount for 2 years. That's fantastic. Okay. Now let's see which other one I have here for you. Fork. Yeah, Fork is also another one. Fork is another one here. I think this one is gonna fly to let's see which one is here. Pengu. Pengu is already there now. This is on a buy. Peanuts. Let's see. Yeah, Peanut is a buy. Peanut is listed on Binance. You can buy Peanut on Binance. Or Fatcoin. No, this one is already done. Because with fat coins still have a long way to go. You can see right up here. Of course, you can buy fat coin, but I think if you want to buy something that can really give you gains, like more good gains, get the other ones I mentioned. So yeah, guys, these are the meme coins that I think are going to. Oh, I didn't mention Tron, official Tron. You can buy Tron. This one is gonna pump to at least you're gonna pump to about, let's say, $30. You will take. Pepe, let's see. Pepe, yeah, Pepe also is gonna pump to the target this higher. Let's look at Bong. Yeah, Bong. These are all safe meme coins. Buy them anytime. Like now, you can buy them. You can see it has bounced from this alpha trend, so it should take us to at least to this higher. Like with me, I trade these ones more. Getting in and out. I don't want to hold these ones because I don't see the gains to hold it, like the big gains. I'm holding something that can give me big gains, like the ones I showed you, Dogecoin and let's see Dogecoin. Yeah, Dogecoin, this one, yeah, of course, it has to go to $1 by December. Yeah, Dogecoin. We're gonna see a Dogecoin run soon. You know. So guys, these are the meme coins I'm looking at. They are fantastic meme coins. They are awesome coins. You can also check them out if say you want to buy either of them. I am doing this not as a financial advice, but for entertainment purpose only and on the education. Make sure do your own research before you get into any of this coin. Crypto is volatile. You might lose everything you got. So take care of yourself and don't forget to subscribe. See you tomorrow.